This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. Under construction in Rosewood at Hyde Park II. Rare standalone 2-story maintenance-free condominium with all of the essentials on the main floor. Spacious and open floor plan featuring hardwood floors, modern lighting and paint colors, high-efficiency stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets and granite countertops in the kitchen that will include a large island/breakfast bar and will be open to great room with gas log fireplace and dining space. The main floor master suite is ultra-private and features a tray ceiling, 2 walk-in closets and a luxury master bath featuring twin sink vanity plus a glass and tile shower. The upper level will offer 3 additional bedrooms. One is a second master, a guest bath and a family room. This wonderful neighborhood is located convenient to everything Bloomington has to offer, including the arts and sports programs at Indiana University.